Welcome everybody. We are at the Nisqually this morning. It is still dark out here, waiting for fishing time. I'm gonna have you guys on my chest and headlamp on, just in case we get one in the dark. So you can fish an hour before official sunrise, and it's still dark. So stay tuned, see if you get any kings. We got a fish on. Yeah. Oh, he's off.
Yeah. The craziest thing about fighting these things is in this inside corner, you got to keep their head up because they're going to bury it in these rocks. This is all rocks down this inside edge, down that block.
Right.
And when they get it on, they get it on. It's like Donkey Kong. I love it. Silvers, oh, they can be a real blast in this hole. I love it in here with silvers. But this is where I got my biggest one, was 16.
Really?
Yeah, that's been a few years ago though. I got it on 15 main and 12 leader.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, that was fun. Oh, they got one on up there.
Yeah, I see that.
One right there on the inside.
Yeah, about, I'd say close to 10 guys went up through there this morning. Almost 10 guys went up through there this morning.
Just for your info, do that.
Yeah, I see him.
Because I've been in here, Adam, for years, all through this, from that upper corner hole down to here.
Yeah.
And just freaking every season, just knocking them out. Look at that. Oh my God.
Oh, there I felt the fish.
Absolutely insane. We're gonna take a chance. Throw the far bank, the Fort Lewis side, and let, holy crap, and let it come down in there.
Yeah.
Smack silvers in that tail out. Just smack them. They'd eat them.
Well, there's so many in here. Stupid.
I've had several line bumps. Two that was takedown.
Yeah, I feel him hitting my line too.
Oh my God. See what I'm saying? If you got up the top up there,
Yeah.
fish your inside edge, you come right along these two rock points at them. When they eat it right there, they eat it like crazy. And it's like, yeah, okay. But you have to fish it up, you have to get around the outside of those. Oh my God. Hello, I'm going down. I don't like this. Good Lord.
There's fish everywhere.
We gotta get something hooked up here. I need more water to be pushing through this slot. I was hoping by now it would have been pushing like really hard. Last year, like I think it was last year or the year before when I hooked all them fish I was telling you about.
Mm-hmm.
This was just literally like fast water.
Yeah.
And these fish were exploding. I mean, it was like nuts. It looked like that up there along that rock wall.
Mm-hmm. He's ripping.
Yeah. Found that again. Must be a pocket in there that's got water pushing up.
Oh, come on. Of course, now it starts raining. Whew. What the hell? Wow. All right, well, it is. Just got done downpouring on us. Downpouring. It is raining. But I am soaked now. I left my jacket in the car, so. And I even have a poncho, so. Didn't think it was gonna rain. I brought it all this morning, but didn't bring it for this evening. Not down here at the river anyways, it's in the truck. No fish really moving, a few here and there, but that is it. Probably just call it a day. So, fish for a little bit longer, see what happens. Yeah, I just had a fish on. Do I have another one on? No. Whoa, please don't tell me I snapped it. But I just had a fish on and lost it because I was trying to get the GoPro on my head because it is raining like crazy. Man, oh my gosh, it is flat coming down. It's like, almost like hail. I'm not sure if you can see this or not. Dew on my head. I think the fish are starting to move because of the rain. Out of these slots. I swear these fish are moving. Oh my god. This is crazy. Oh my god. Give it maybe another half hour.
Yeah. Usually have a nice silver up there.
A silver?
Yeah.
Nice.